He and the Houston Rockets are one win away from a looming collision with Golden State should they beat New Orleans. A beat-up Utah Jazz team stands in their way. It's inside to Clint Capella. And Capella, with his 12 points, 15 rebounds, and 6 blocked shots in Game 4, comes in with a lot of momentum. An early lead for the Rockets. And they got it to go right there.
It's whatever he wants on that high screen and roll. Just you take a look at it. He's really shooting a elbow free throw shot.
On the wing, Ba'amute a three.
Still favors Houston. They're at home, and they're the team that at any given moment can get
by Paul inside to Nene. Crisp passing by Chris Paul. Here comes Paul. Is on him, and another mid-range shot will go down for Chris Paul. Capella with a good screen. Gobert is there, and that's when Paul has been relying on that mid-range. Now he's got O'Neal. It's a three. Chris Paul. This is where Paul was beating Gobert the other night. Harden gets it right back into Paul. Outside, Tucker triple.
Back-to-back baskets by Tucker. But you got to play the percentages because you're going to live with that, as opposed to Chris Paul or Harden taking those shots.
Mitchell three. Get up! It's picked up by Tucker. Rockets have hit their last 6. They've got the momentum. Here comes Paul. Double wide open Tucker. Chris Paul lasers one inside. Halftime report coming up from our TNT studios. Here comes Paul. Gobert is there. And what happened in Game 4, he would settle for that mid-range. But then when Gobert was down low, now he comes out and pressures the perimeter. And the three won't go. But the offensive rebound and Paul triple. And that is down. Paul got the screen. Fires. Chris Paul. 5 of 9, 15 in a closeout game for the Rockets. Here's Paul. Tucker thinking three. Firing the three.
Flurry of threes here to end this first half.
Bears out there.
Back off, though. Back off.
Paul. Tucker is 4 of 4.
Make that 5 of 5, 13 points for Tucker. And there's no reason for Gobert to be guarding Chris Paul 35 feet away from the basket. Let Chris Paul come to you.
Chris Paul, 6 assists, now 7. Ariza, timeout Utah. Three, Paul, count it.
Right back, big shot by CP3 here.
Here comes Chris, step back three. Big shot by Chris Paul.
He's going to have to carry them.
Paul with the screen, shot clock at 6. Double the shot clock at 5. Tucker, 3. Hesitate, but got it to go! Big shot by Tucker. And the Rockets have taken the lead. It's Paul, and Mitchell is there. And a shot by Chris is in. You can almost feel with every shot and every possession. Paul willing this team 26 points. Got caught up in traffic. Coughs the ball up. Here comes Paul. Outside Gordon. Step back lead. It's Paul. 3. Good!
Why not? He's done everything else all evening. 29 points now for CP3. He can smell it. He wants that Western Conference Finals.
Screen Paul inside on Gobert. Walking the tightrope. 3. Chris Paul! He has been incredible. 32 points tonight.
And now this should be a heat check for Chris Paul.
What a riveting performance by Chris Paul. Paul's got the last 8. It's O'Neal, shot clock at 2. Paul, the dance, fires, good! 37 for Paul! He got it again! Chris Paul has been an assassin! 13 points for the Rockets in a row. Tucker